The new LTS solar-powered IP camera is built to be a self-sufficient surveillance solution in our IP camera line. Made for usage in rural areas, the camera requires no electrical wiring or network cables and comes with a built-in 4G module for remote connection. Its lightweight, modularized design also facilitates the transportation and setup process, thus cutting down installation costs. The camera's built-in 30 amp-hour rechargeable lithium battery supports smart, long-term power management via different power modes. Renewable energy will keep the camera running for 7 days of continuous operation on a single charge without direct sunlight. The 80-watt photovoltaic solar panel is adjustable at different angles for optimal sunlight intake. In addition, the solar camera unit comes with a mounting bracket that is adjustable to different hole diameters. The camera can receive cellular signals through a T-Mobile 4G SIM card. It is built with an internal memory of 64 GB eMMC storage and supports up to 256 GB of external storage via micro SD card. Equipped with Color 247 and ultra-low lux technology, the camera records full-color footage at all hours of the day. Details that would otherwise get lost in darkness will still be captured in 4K/8 megapixel image resolution. With MD 2.0, it is also able to accurately capture instances of human or vehicle activity within set parameters. Users will be alerted of instances such as line crossing and perimeter intrusion through push notifications from NVMS v3 software, as well as the LTS Connect mobile app. Whether it's for parks, farmland, remote pipelines, or temporary construction sites, the new solar camera provides a powerful, eco-friendly monitoring solution that requires minimal maintenance. The camera is durable enough to withstand inclement weather, and the battery maintains operation in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. However isolated and hostile the location, the LTS solar camera is built to last. Thank you for watching.